Hi everyone, I'm Iris and I love to grill. Whether it's fast food orange chicken or your high class fancy pants duck à l'orange, I'm gonna show you how to use your smoker to get the most citrus flavor in every bite with our orange smoked duck. So we've just scored the skin on this duck so that we can allow the skin to get nice and crispy and cook much more evenly, and it also allows for some of that fat to run off. Look at that. So next up, we are going to prepare our seasoning spice mixture. So here we have whole cinnamon, whole black peppercorn, whole clove, star anise, and of course some garlic powder. And we're just gonna toss it into a spice mixer and give it a couple of pulses. It smells so good. All right, so we're gonna take this spice mixture that we just ground up and we're gonna lightly season each of these duck breasts. It's very strong, so not too much. And we're gonna also spice the other side. Just very lightly season this side because we don't have that layer of skin to protect the meat. Perfect. To get that orange citrus flavor really infused into the duck, we're actually gonna make a glaze to glaze the duck while it's on the smoker. So let's get started on that glaze. We have here melted butter, maple syrup, soy sauce, brandy, and we're gonna use some fresh squeezed orange juice. We're just gonna slice this orange down the middle and just squeeze it directly into the bowl. It smells so good. We're gonna reserve the peel and add it actually to the wood chips with some star anise and some cinnamon, which is gonna really help infuse that same flavor profile we have in the duck into the smoke. And we're putting this directly onto the coals to help punch up the flavor that's going directly into the meat. Smoke on, babies. All right, we're just gonna pop these onto the smoker. We're gonna give it a nice glaze. The butter in this glaze is gonna help the meat crisp up nice and good. So we will just let these smoke and we'll come back periodically to glaze. All right, let's check in. Okay, look at how beautiful these are. We're just gonna add our final glaze. Oh yeah. The smoke is still smelling so delicious. Beautiful. All right, guys, I am so excited to try this. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's so smoky, sweet. The flavors have melded all the way through that duck. The skin is crispy, the meat is tender. Oh yeah. The crispy skin. It's so well balanced, this layer of fat that we have. You can taste the citrus flavors, the smokiness. It's really superb. All right, so I've sliced this up and I've prepared a bowl of mixed brown rice with herbs to pair with. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's try it all together. Some rice. The flavors are so rich and melty, and the fat and the crispy texture of the fat along with the tenderness of the duck. It's perfectly cooked. It's sweet, it's tangy. Adding the aromatics right into the wood chip mixture was such a game changer. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Bussin Eats and keep it here. See you next time.